Hello and welcome to this video tour of number 98 Loddon Bridge Road. So what we have here is a 1930s built semi-detached home which has been extended now with 4 bedrooms and 2 bathrooms. So initially, just to let you know about the parking, all the front has been laid to a stone driveway here. Parking for probably 3, 4, maybe 5 vehicles, but of course we have the garage as well. So let's take you inside and I'll give you a tour. So we go through the front door to the inside of the house. First of all, the entrance hall. You can see the staircase here leading to the first floor. I'm just going to turn around just to show you the front door. Replacement front door, quite an attractive one there. So what we have of the hallway, a door here taking you into the lounge, and a door ahead of us into the dining room. So let's start with the lounge. So this is at the front of the house. First of all, just point out sun coming through, as you can see, a bay window, UPVC double glazed bay window. We've got a focal point here of the fireplace. That's an open fireplace. And I'm just spinning round slightly here. I'm going to just step over to here and look back, so at least this gives you a full idea of the lounge, because we do have an archway here taking you into the dining room. So the dining room, this is quite a large room, as you can probably tell straight away. It's got a big table and 6 chairs, probably plenty of room for 8 chairs. It's a long dining room. The doorway there takes you into the kitchen. Just going to spin round just to give you an idea of just what we have here. And also you can see there's that arch going into the lounge. So in the corner here, as mentioned, this takes you into the kitchen breakfast room. So let's just focus on this room now. Nicely fitted, lots of units, lots of work surface space. So let's first of all start to my left here. As you can see, we've got a range cooker just here and extractor above. In the corner here in this cupboard we have the gas-fired boiler. It's a Worcester Bosch. And then focusing on the sink unit there under the window, we have an integrated dishwasher in the corner there. Breakfast bar, sort of come island unit. And then over this side, again, lots of eye level units, including in the middle we have a drinks fridge. Whilst at the moment you'll see we've got a couple of chairs here, space for a breakfast table if you want, and here we have French doors opening onto the rear garden. And there's the rear aspect window. So this door in the corner here takes you into a sort of inner hallway. Now this gives us access through to the garage, which is the door to my left. You can see we've got a downstairs WC, but first of all I'm just going to show you across here we have a study. So this is a rear aspect window looking down the garden. The study's quite full at the moment, so a little bit difficult to really show you what this has got in it, so do my best, but it's certainly a reasonable sized study. All the measurements are on the floor plan, as you probably realise. And then let's show you the downstairs WC with its wash basin there. White suite, there's a radiator. There's an extractor fan just there. And open this door just to show you the garage. It's a single garage, power and light. The up and over door is just there at the end, as you can see. Like many garages, very much used for storage. But I just want to point out that here we have a utility area. We have eye level units. There's a fridge freezer sat here, and just beneath here you can probably just make out we've got a wash machine and a tumble dryer. So that is the ground floor of this room, of this property rather. Let's now take you upstairs and show you the first floor. We are now on the landing, where we have 4 bedrooms and 2 bathrooms. I'm just going to spin around here because we have 3 bedrooms at this end here. So I'm going to start by showing you the room at the front here. Here we go. Excuse the little cat there. So this room is at the front. It has a range of built-in wardrobes. Built-in wardrobes are these here and the one in the corner. The wood finish one here, that's actually a freestanding wardrobe. As you can see, we've got a double bed in situ there, radiator there, and then more storage units above. So that's one bedroom. Let's just show you, I think, the second bedroom, which is this one here. We have a double bed in situ, as you can see. More storage units above there. This is rear aspect. And then over here, third bedroom, again a double room with a rear aspect again. I'm just going to step to one side here and point out here this range of built-in wardrobes, floor to ceiling, with the radiator there. Just going to give you an idea of the view out the back. Looking down onto the garden, you can see on the left-hand side there the timber chalet, which I'll show you shortly. Lovely view out the back. So this is the third bedroom, and then across the other side of the landing here we have this room, which is the fourth bedroom, so this will be the smallest of them all, which, as you can probably tell straight away, it's certainly not a box room. It's a good sized fourth bedroom. Front aspect. So that is the fourth bedroom. And then we have 2 bathrooms. First of all, here we have a shower room. So let's show you this. There's the low level WC. It's got a window there towards the rear. Nice tile walls, by the way. We have a wash basin. I'm just going to step in the room because behind the main entrance door here we've got the shower cubicle. It's a double width shower, so it's a big shower cubicle. And then across the other side here we have the family bathroom, which is to my right in here. White suite, very nicely finished. As you can see, there's the panel bath with these sort of central taps, the low level WC, and the wash basin with a vanity cupboard underneath. I'm going to just point out on the left hand side here, by the way, we've got a heated towel rail as well. Let's just point in this direction to show you the vanity cupboard under the sink. So that's the main bathroom, so that's the house. Let's now take you into the garden. Right, we're in the rear garden. Now, this is a particular feature of the house because it's about 100 feet in length, as you can probably see there in the distance. I'll take you down to the end of the garden, but I just want to focus initially on the patio, because what we have here is firstly a full width patio, which is here and also then extends. It's like an L-shaped patio, and then we have the lawn here, little shed just there. Let's just wander down the garden. It's a really good size garden. In fact, it gets wider as we walk down towards the end. It's a lovely sunny day today, but it does tend to play havoc with the camera, shadows. But anyway, at least you can see what's at the back. And then this log cabin. Let's just have a look at that. Show you inside. This really is quite a nice additional feature. All sorts of usages. Could be a home office, it could be a children's games room, that sort of thing. As you can see, it's quite full at the moment. It has been used as a sort of music room, that sort of thing. Currently just used for a bit of storage, really. Yeah, and what you can't tell on camera as you walk in, you've got that lovely wood smell, pine, windows to the side, and also to the front there's the door I've just come through, so quite a nice feature. Power and light, as you can see, I've just turned the light on. Good size as well. So that is the sort of log cabin, the timber studio. Not quite sure how you want to describe it, but it's one of those. What I'm going to do now is just focus on the back of the house because, excuse the sun, let me just step to one side, create some shadow. There you go. This house, I think you'll appreciate the size of it from the rear more than the front actually, because really quite a good sized family home, as you can see. So that just concludes the tour. If you have any questions, please call the number on the website. You can ask to speak to myself. My name's Gary. Alternatively, it's the same number to arrange a viewing appointment. Thank you very much for watching.